It's me, your vegan of love, and I'm here at Breakfast Republic in San Diego, California, and to be enjoying the delicious Jammin' Benny. I'm very grateful for Breakfast Republic having a vegan menu. Everybody should try it out. Now Sushi are the owners of No Worries Animal Sanctuary, a 13-acre property just outside of Austin, Texas. And my ride is here. Tesla Model 3. Eating a healthy vegan diet has shown to prevent a number of diseases. I really like this menu already. Looking good. Veganic Thai Cafe in Hillcrest. Let's go.
You got the fish?
It's a soy shrimp with
got,
pineapple fried rice.
Got ginger in it, huh?
I think
can
it
tell
might
by the
have
color
ginger.
of
I'm
it.
gonna read what it has in it right now. What did I get? So this is pineapple fried rice. It is stir-fried jasmine rice with pineapple, onions, peas, carrots, and cashews. And I see a tomato over there too, but I guess that's the only tomato. Beautiful. It's me, your Vegan of Love, and I'm here at McDonald's. Just kidding, I'm walking on my way to Purple Mint Vegan Bistro over on Mission Gorge Road. So the way we're gonna be walking is this way, on my way. Told you so. Just a quick little flip for you now. Hey everyone, I'm here at Mission Square Market. Let's go inside and see what we got. They have a huge freezer section. Like they have a huge selection. I'm not even kidding. This is like one of the sections here. More like to-go stuff and sauces. And more frozen stuff here. And like all over there. More. So this is pretty awesome. If you are hungry and like you don't have a whole lot of time, they have some prepared food right here. Like super quick, easy things. A lot of different like cheese sauces and stuff like that. Alright, these ones I literally have not even seen anywhere else. Like, it's good to go if you are an egg lover like me. Like before I was vegan, I totally was like all about the eggs, and this brand in particular, and they make it so easy. It's like delicious. Like I literally dare you. Imitation chicken. I mean, you will not miss anything in your diet. And if you're brand loyal, go Beyond Meat, you know, they've got that too. So awesome. Sea kelp. Ooh, healthy vegans. Cheeky Nando's here at Mission Square Market. I used to eat this all the time when I lived in the UK. It is so delicious. It's a little spicy, but shout out to the UK. I got this from the store today. I've never had this before. Probiotic water with 2 billion cultures in it. And it is non-GMO, gluten-free, lactose-free, and of course vegan. So I'm supposed to push the top here down like that. And it's all filling up with this stuff. the powder, and then shake it all about. And then you get some good karma. Hopefully yummy karma. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to your Vegan of Love.